Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our third tutorial of Power BI, where we will discuss some important feature of Power Query Editor. In this video, we will just discuss the basic feature like merging the column, adding the column, removing the column, and the last thing is sorting the column. And in our next classes, we will also learn more feature about Power Query Editor. In the previous video, we had just discussed how to extract the data into various sources. If you missed it, so please go and watch. So let's get started. In the last video, we have seen we are connected to the customer table. Here is the table, guys. So now you just simply click on transform data. Once you click it, it will take you to the Power Query Editor. So this window is known as Power Query Editor. And you guys can see the data here, and we have taken very less data so that you guys can better understand. So as I have already discussed, we have to clean up our data into Power Query Editor. So firstly, we will learn merging the columns. We can see three columns are here which we need to merge, which is prefix, first name and last name. So we need to merge these three columns. And we have two options in Query Editor for merging the columns. Under Transform tab, we have an option of merging the columns. So you need to select the column first. And we also have the same option of merging in Add Columns. Both the options work same, but the only difference is once you click this merge option into transformation tab, it will remove the other existing column. And if you go to the add section and click merge column from there, this will create a new additional column. So this is the only difference, guys. Now we will do it practically so you get better understanding. So first go to the transform and you need to select these three columns. First one is prefix, and press Ctrl. You need to select first name and you need to select last name. You guys can select the column names accordingly. But here is the requirement to merge these three columns. Once you click it, it will pop up a box where it asking for separator and new column name. So you guys can select separator accordingly, like comma, equal sign, semicolon, space. I'll select space here, and I will also change the column name. So you guys can see second existing column removed and it merged with the first one. So in this way you can merging the column under transformation tab. So one thing I would like to highlight, guys, under Power Query Editor here is no option of Ctrl Z to remove previous step like in other tools. If you want to step back, you need to click this cross. See guys, whatever changes you have made in Power Query Editor, each and every step has recorded under the applied steps. So this thing you need to keep in mind. Now we will again merge with the help of add column. First you need to go to add column section and click merge column. And again asking the same thing, which is separator and the column name. And click OK. Now you guys can see the new column has added and these three columns are still here. So this is the only difference between add column and transform column. Now we will learn removing the column. So we simply do right click and here is the option of removing the column. Now we can see column has removed and step has recorded there. So in this way you guys can merge, add or remove column. And last part of our today video is sorting. So I have a quick example, guys. Let's say we have to sort this annual income. So we just simply go to the home tab and go to sorting. And now you can sort the data descending or in ascending manner. I will choose descending here, guys. So you guys can see the data has sorted according to the descending. And in this way you can also sorting the data in alphabetically manner. So you guys can do yourself for practice. In this video we have learned basic feature of Power BI like adding column, merging column, removing columns, and the last is sorting. So in our next upcoming video we will cover up more feature about Power Query Editor. So please stay tuned with us and please support this channel, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much, guys.